Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday, happy hump day. Today I'm going to review a trade taken on Vine, ticker symbol VINE. It's an AMEX stock. It is, as of the moment, the leading gainer, up 43%. The volume for today is sitting at 27.5 million average volume, half a million. And yeah, it has a low float. When I was looking at it, it did have a wide spread. Sometimes the spread would fluctuate between 10 to 15 cents. At times it was ridiculous. But we'll see that as it moved on, we can see that the spread tightened and the volume increased, all that. A lot of patience involved here. Now, disclaimer, I did fat fingered it. I was meant to enter the trade at around 7.94, and I accidentally pressed the buy button. You'll see here. We start seeing an increase in volume. It's testing that 7.79 area. Now the daily does have a topping tail. That's what was of concern. But you can see the 15-minute chart. The previous day, resistance was that area around 7.94, $8 mark. That was the highs of the previous day. So we're looking at it here. It's coming down towards that area, and it's testing it as an area of support. So you can see it's slowly consolidating on the 1 minute and the 5 minute around that area, $8 mark, right below it. Patience. And that's where I fat fingered it. I entered the trade. I pressed the buy button by accident. You can see the stop loss is only 10 cents. Too tight, so I lowered it an extra 7 cents. Give it some room. And luckily it did go in our direction immediately, right? Immediately it squeezed way up there, broke above 8. Now we needed to test that 820 as a resistance. You can see the level 2 here. 819. There's 818, 819, 818, 820 as a resistance there. Block of sellers, 819. Definitely a little struggle there. That area of resistance. Peekabooed above it, and now we knew that it would hit there, and it would, if it didn't immediately break above that area, it would come down towards 8 as a support. You can see here on the level 2 bit support. I do look at both the level 2 and the NBBO. NBBO is more detailed, more accurate. The level 2 is more general, it's more broad. It would come down towards 8, 794 possibly. And we were anticipating a pullback. There's that pullback. You can see it did bounce off of that area right there. Now it was beginning to show some weakness, but we eventually got some more buyers coming in there. There's bid support there, level 2. And once again, 820, 819 would play as an area of resistance. If we watch the level 2, 820, 815 at some point as well. 817 has a larger resistance on the NBBO. It got slapped down from the 817. Hope I'm not moving too fast. There we go. That's how fast it moves. Still testing that area around between 815 and 820. Testing. 820 there on the resistance, level 2. Still testing. Gonna go ahead and fast forward. You can see it takes a while. This trade took about 50 minutes to play out and eventually broke that area. 820, 849 would be a resistance. 845, 849, 852. You can see on the level 2 there. Did test those levels, and it lost some steam at some point right there. It hit the VWAP as a resistance then, but we saw it lose some steam, getting choppy, so I went ahead and raised the stop loss right below that 820. Boom, stop loss has been raised. Now at this point we can't lose any money. We'll profit a few bucks, possibly half of the profit target, right? Won't be the full thing, but if it comes down, stops us out, means that it will be showing relative weakness, and don't want to be part of that anymore, especially if it's getting choppy like this. You can see that the spread is around, fluctuates. Right now it's 3 cents, right? Sometimes it goes up to 7 cents, 9 cents right here. And yeah, it came down, tagged us out at our stop loss, which was already raised above the break even. Ended up with $54 with this trade in about 50 minutes. That's the trade there. And as of the moment, if we look at Vine real time, stopped us out here, it bounced off of that area, and now it's hitting that 850 area, 849 as a resistance, and our take profit was 865. Let's see, would have had hit the 865 there. I don't know, keeps hitting that VWAP as a resistance. This is if I hadn't raised my stop loss, I'd still be in this trade. But we still ended up green. Not completely 100% green, but green is green. Alright, I guess I'm not gonna take any more trades for today. That's it. The market has been, to be honest, pretty whack. Anyone else notice that? It's been a whack market, at least on my side. And not staying away, I'm just looking at it from a distance most days. And let me know if you have a similar experience with that. Thanks folks for being here. If you have any questions, comments, let me know down below, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Have a great day. Bye.